So how do you fix when you screw up with your router bit? So here's an example of a piece that I'm trying to route using a shutter. This is for a plantation shutter, and this is a bead that was created using a router bit. And the problem with something like this is you can't fix it, because if you have it too low, it's going to cause a groove, and then or if the bit slips or whatever, you're going to permanently damage it. You can't fix it. So a couple of places, because this one has a rabbet, I could not get a good hold on the piece. So anyways, a couple of places where it got screwed up is right here, and then there's a big screw up right here. So what I did here is, of course you can't see the screw up because I put a little bit of Bondo here. So this is an all-purpose putty. Comes with a, it's used for auto body repair, but comes with a hardener and a the main resin, which once you mix the hardener, it sets in less than 15 minutes. It's ready for sanding in 15 minutes. So I applied a little bit on both these flaws, and then I squeegeed it really good. And it's been about 5 minutes. I'm gonna let it harden a little bit longer, and then once it's done, I'm gonna run it through the router and let's see what we get. Okay, it's done. So where I applied the Bondo came out pretty decent. Here's the other location. So I'm reasonably happy with the results, so I'm going to call that a success.